Hello people, and today I'm going to be showing you this iPod Touch Leap. So, if you aren't aware, Apple did an accessory. I would be lying if I understood why. Called the iPod Touch Leap. It was designed for 5th gens and only 5th gens. So you see this little thing here, you just press it down, it pops out, and then you bit your leap around it. So from the looks of this is brand new, unopened. So let's open it, or it could be opened, but basically in its original packaging. Still, look at that. Focus. But yeah, iPod Touch. Loop made in California. Yeah. No, designed by Apple in California, made in China. But yeah. So as you can see, there's like a little diagram on the back. So, there's the seal. Just peel it. This would be much nicer if I had a tripod. Put this there. Okay, maybe not. Oh, is that it? That's it. Now you go look at the rest. One infinite loop. By the way, it took me a long time to realise that one infinite loop was their address. I believe they still own one infinite loop, but yeah, you've got the new place. Oh, if I can open this. Okay. Oh, these loops. I thought they'd be, I don't know, more rubbery. Feels a bit rubbery, but feels not quite rubbery. That's very not useful, but I don't know how else you're supposed to describe it. So I think what you do, got a little thing there. Just pull it out. 2 sides, I don't know. This is all very new. Yeah, I've never really used these. Well, probably I have in an Apple store. You know, like 10 years ago. Well, less than 10 probably. I was selling these for a while, the 5th gens. Oh, this is incredibly hard. Oh! Oh wait, no. It's not really useful, that's just giving me a tutorial on how to put it on. I know how to put it on. Oh, there we go. Got it. I'll get the other. Boom. And there's a thing there. Is that magnets? I can't tell. And oh, what's going on here? Even more of these. I probably won't take. Probably should have left one of them in. Yeah, as you can see, these are also quite boring colours. Oh, that's the plastic. Yeah, these are boring colours because I want to save a little bit of money. A little bit. I've already spent like, what is it, £5 on a brand new pair of Apple Leap. So, let's put it on. And okay, it stays on, it's staying on. Right, it's working. Feels more like the leap's actually going to snap than fall out of the loop. So, like the iPod gets disconnected from leap. So I'm spinning it. Yeah, okay, it definitely works. Now, of course, I went testing it with my arm, but you get the point. You know, I can't really do it with my arm, as you can see. But I mean, it works. This is, as you can see, my slightly broken iPod, but I don't know where my other one is. It's probably somewhere there. It works, this loop. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this back in there, either in the box, put it in my drawer, forget about it, and you know, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to, you know, move this to my other iPod. That works, unlike this one. And yeah, so thanks for watching, people. Subscribe if you're interested in this content, so on and so on. Goodbye.